Welcome back to Anesthesia with Babbar. In today's video, we'll learn about the types of white blood cells, their functions, and nucleus shapes. Let's begin and understand how each cell plays a vital role in our immune system. Neutrophils. Function: phagocytosis of bacteria and fungi, crucial in early stages of inflammation. Shape of nucleus: multi-labbed or segmented nucleus. Lymphocytes. Function: key players in adaptive immunity, including T cells, B cells, and natural killer cells. Shape of nucleus: large, round nucleus that occupies most of the cell. Monocytes. Function: differentiate into macrophages in tissues, involved in phagocytosis and antigen presentation. Shape of nucleus: kidney-shaped or horseshoe-shaped nucleus. Eosinophils. Function: combat parasitic infections and modulate allergic responses. Shape of nucleus: bilobed nucleus with eosinophilic granules in the cytoplasm. Basophils. Function: release histamine and other inflammatory mediators during allergic reactions. Shape of nucleus: bilobed nucleus, often obscured by numerous granules in the cytoplasm.